Okay, so we're going to open Google Maps, which is what I've just done. And now before we start looking for directions, we need to change a few things. So on the bottom right now, you can see that driving is highlighted blue. We want to change it so that transit is highlighted blue by clicking on it. And now I'm going to click on this symbol below the search bar on the right that kind of looks like a s'more right here. And that will pull up this panel where you can change it to satellite, which is important. And you can also make sure that map details transit is clicked. So that will show up and show us where bus stops are. And so now we can exit out of that and we can search for where we want to go. For this example, we're doing Target in Huntersville. And so several options will come up when you search for Target, and so we want to choose Samford Road, Huntersville. And then that will pull up these directions on the bottom and show us where Target is on the map. And so if you click directions, again, you want to make sure that you have this train here highlighted in white at the top and not the car for driving or the person for walking, etc. And then you can also click this little menu here that says, where it says depart at 12:19 p.m. You can change your departure or your arrival time. So I'm going to change the departure time to 5:30 p.m. And so that changes the directions a little bit. And so you can see below that we have two options here. One of them is to take the 99 and then walk 8 minutes. The other is to walk 6 minutes, take the 77X, and then walk 8 minutes. And so because the 99 has more consistent service to Target, we're going to choose the 99. And then when you open this up, you can see that it will show you each leg of your journey. So the first leg is walking. So whenever we have a walking leg, we want to click on this map symbol here that's blue on the side, and that will take us to the walking directions. And so one weakness of Google Maps is that it will tell you to walk in the middle of the road, and it doesn't always know where sidewalks and crosswalks are or aren't. So we're going to check and make sure that we have sidewalks and crosswalks to walk safely. And this is right on Main Street in Davidson, so we know that we do. We can follow the route where we need to walk and see that we do have crosswalks and sidewalks. So when you exit out of that, you'll have to click on the directions again, and we'll check this last leg of our trip for walkability as well. And we don't know this as well, so we're going to do the same thing. Follow, so there's the bus stop, we go up, we can cross the road there. There's a sidewalk, there's another crosswalk for us to cross on, more sidewalk, another crosswalk, more crosswalk, and now we're in the Target parking lot and we can get safely to our destination. So the last thing, if you'd like to check, you can click the arrow next to where it says Griffith and Main Street, or it would say whatever stop you would be getting on at. And you can see what times the bus is scheduled to be at that stop. And so because I set it for 5:30, it's given me every time the bus will be there from 5:30 on. And then if you would like to, you can have Google Maps remind you to leave on time, remind you when it's time to transfer, which doesn't apply to this trip, but it could to another trip. And you can add this trip to your Google Calendar or to your calendar app on your phone.